Welcome to our Nissan plant. After being designed and planned, Nissan cars are ready to be manufactured at one of our plants. It takes about 24 hours to make a single car from start to finish. Now, let's take a look inside a plant to see how our cars are made. The first stage is making the car's panels. Floors, doors, and roofs are cut from huge rolls of metal. The metal is light, strong, and resistant to rust. Metal sheets are sandwiched from above and below in this huge and powerful press. Lots of different shaped panels are needed when making a strong, refined body. The press can make about 12 panels a minute. Once the panels pass strict quality checks, they are loaded and moved to the next stage. Finished floors, roofs, and other parts are welded together by robots to make a permanent bond. The car's structure is starting to take shape. Each robot is programmed with several tasks as they all work to complete assembly. These robots work tirelessly to build our cars. At this stage, parts like the doors and trunks are attached. Now, we begin to see the car's design. Bumpers and other large plastic parts are formed in this machine. It takes about 50 seconds to make a single bumper. To get ready for painting, oil, dirt, and dust are washed off, and the body gets soaked in a special bath. An anti-rust undercoat is applied inside and out to make sure the paint will stay looking great. This is done in a special room that is strictly kept clean. Several coats of paint will be applied here. Each car is painted with a color chosen by the customer. Clear coat is applied using computer programming to ensure a uniform surface. Workers then check for any tiny defects to confirm a perfect shine. Once the body is formed, additional parts are fitted. The cars are automatically raised and lowered so that workers can install comfortably. At this stage of the process, the doors are removed to make interior installation easier. The Nissan Leaf electric car is made here at the Opama plant. It requires a special process to install its batteries. Engines are built at a dedicated plant. Each is assembled to the customer's specifications. After passing strict inspections, the engines are transported to the assembly plant. Finally, remaining parts are attached to the doors before they are put back onto the body. Now, it is time for the final inspection. Each car is carefully checked to make sure that everything works, such as lights, brakes, and controls. Tests are performed under the car as well. Here we see a safety test to check how the car handles at speeds of 120 kilometers per hour. Once the cars have passed all their checks, they are ready for shipment. After passing the strict final inspection, they are driven onto a car transporter ship and delivered to customers in Japan and abroad. At Nissan, our dedication to our customers is what drives us to build quality, exciting cars every day.